Hello, grade 4. Our science lesson today is about the properties of matter. First of all, we need to know what is matter. By definition, matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. If you look around you, you might see many objects. Every object is made up of matter. Every object has physical properties. What is a physical property? A physical property is a characteristic of matter that you can observe or measure directly. In the picture, the boy is eating a sandwich. The boy can see different colors in the sandwich. He can taste if the sandwich is sour or salty. He can smell the bread in the sandwich, and he can feel if the bread is soft or hard. All of these are physical properties. Mass is also a physical property. It is the amount of matter in an object, and we measure mass by using a pan balance. The units of measuring mass are grams for lighter objects and kilograms for heavier objects. Volume and density. Volume is how much space an object takes up. To find the volume of a rectangular solid, we multiply the width by the length by the height. Let's find the volume of this blue rectangular shape. To find the volume, we must multiply the length by the width by the height. It means we must multiply 3 meters by 2 meters by 5 meters to get the volume, which is 30 cubic meters. And cubic meters is the unit of measuring the volume. Density is the amount of matter present in a certain volume of a substance. Density indicates how close together the particles in an object are. The formula of density is D equals mass over volume. If you look at the picture, we can see that we have two objects, cotton candy and sugar. We can notice that both objects take up the same amount of space. It means they have the same volume, which is 3 liters. The only difference is that the mass of cotton candy is 30 grams, less than the mass of sugar, which is 2000 grams. So the cotton candy has less matter in it than sugar. So the density of sugar is higher than the density of cotton candy. What are the states of matter? Matter exists in different forms. Solids, liquids, and gases are 3 states of matter. A solid has a definite volume and shape. For example, your science book is rectangular. It has a definite shape and has a definite volume. It's a solid. A liquid has a definite volume but not a definite shape. For example, if we have 30 milliliters of water, we can place them in a bottle. They will take the shape of the bottle. And also, we can place them in a cup. They will take the shape of the cup. So, the shape changes, but in both containers, the volume of water remains the same, which is 30 milliliters. A gas does not have a definite volume nor a definite shape. The air around us, for example, is a gas. The water we drink is a liquid. Your science book is a solid. Your body is 70% water. The rest of your body is made of gases such as oxygen and solids such as fats that we eat. Water's forms. Water can be a solid, a liquid, or a gas. An ice cube is solid water. When it melts, it turns into a liquid. When water is gas, it is called water vapor. Now, water is made up of tiny particles. Particles in a solid are tightly packed to each other. They vibrate in place. Particles in a liquid are apart from each other. They slide past each other. and particles in a gas are farther apart from each other, they move freely. Water changes form. A change of state occurs when matter changes from one state to another. Freezing happens when water changes from a liquid to a solid, so particles slow down and get closer together since we're moving from a liquid to a solid. Melting happens when ice melts. It changes from solid to liquid, so particles speed up and slide past each other. Evaporation is the process by which a liquid changes into a gas, so particles speed up and become much farther apart than the particles in a liquid. Condensation is the process by which a gas changes into a liquid, so particles slow down and clump together. Thank you for watching.